Hi everyone, we'll talk about breast reduction or reduction neuroplasty. Breast reduction is done for the patients who have hypertrophic or hyperplastic breast, means the breast size is big and they have sagging breasts also. So because of sagging and heavy breast, they have problems like strep, rashes and posture changes because of drooping breasts or heavy breasts. They droop down, the shoulders droop down, and they have neck pain, shoulder pain, and associated skin rashes because of the hanging breast. There is underneath the rashes, skin rashes are there. So many problems are there with patients having heavy breasts or sagging breasts. So for this, we do reductionoplasty, or normally we call it breast reduction. So in this, what we do, whatever extra hanging tissue is there, we just remove that tissue from the lower part, preserving its blood supply, nerve supply, and important tissue in the upper and medial part of breast. We preserve it, and then we reduce the size of breast. Simultaneously, we uplift the breast also. So breast is size is also reduced and it is lifted up also. So you get a tight, toned, and small breast appearance. So whatever size you want, if you want to go from large to medium or small, so depending upon the discussion, the patient which we have, the pre-operative discussion, accordingly we decide the size, what the patient desires, and then we do the breast reduction. So this procedure takes around 3 hours. And if associated comorbidity, any other medical illness is not there, and then the same day patient can go back. It's a day care procedure. And you have to take some certain precautions, like you have to avoid lifting heavy weight or strenuous work of arms for around 4 to 5 weeks, which varies from patient to patient. And the healing takes around 1.5 to 2 months. This also varies from patient to patient, but you can resume your normal routine activity from around 2 to 5 days. This varies from patient to patient also, because that depends how much size reduction you have undergone and how much sagging correction you have undergone. Accordingly, the healing time may vary. But this is a safe procedure, and you get relief from the heavy, large sagging breast, and you get tighter, toned, and your desired size breast with this process.